Total production area, 20,000 square meters. With a team of over 300 people and full energy independence. We have made mistakes along the way, but they became points of growth. We analyzed them, improved our processes, and built a stronger system based on that experience. We operate high-capacity machining centers that ensure high precision. Most of our equipment is purchased in Germany, where we select proven industrial solutions with a strong margin of reliability. We inspect every joint, every angle, and every surface to ensure long-lasting performance. Metal treated with respect for the material. Assembly carried out with precision. Quality visible not only on the outside, but in every internal component. The strength of any manufacturing. Operation lies in its people, those who take responsibility for the result every day. We may differ in experience and expertise, but we are united by one goal: to create a flawless product. Each of us is part of one whole, and together we work as a single mechanism. ARCA Workshop. Precision in every detail.